name is Peter Sullivan. We have a construction firm, company sa Tarlac City. With our experience here and the reliability of the equipment, the trucks, so and the positive impact in our company since nakatapos kami ng trabaho sa mga nakukuha namin equipments here, trucks, so kumukuha kami ng mga additional equipment dito to expand our business. Yung nakuha namin nung college pa ako, high school until now, they still working. Meron yung grader, yung Komatsu grader na GD. Actually, nasa auction siya last time, yung GD 300 ba? GD 30. And may transit mixer pa rin na nandun pa rin. Madali naman i-approach yung mga staff. Pwedeng tawagan agad-agad. So, sumasagot naman sila agad. So, kaya walang naging hindrance masyado na nangyayari during online meeting. Upon experiencing the online auction, online ka, mas comfortable, nasa bahay ka lang. Also, kung hindi ka malapit dito sa Subic, you can do online auction. Kasi smooth naman yung transaction. In my own opinion, smooth naman yung and experience, smooth naman yung transaction na nangyari. Okay naman yung mga staff. Mabilis naman yung process, pagkukuha ng susi, okay naman. Very accommodating. As a business owner, in the field of construction, I'm encouraging people who has business in the construction industry to do and try bidding in the UA. It's reliable and worth it naman. Hindi naman ako babalik ng UA ulit kung hindi reliable yung equipment sila. So, syempre, not anyone can afford the new equipment, new trucks. You can get an affordable equipment here in UA. Syempre, at the same reliable din. So, for the small business na nag-start up pala, I think mas economical na bumili muna ng mga equipment here sa UA na nag-start ng business, na magagamit nyo sa construction. Lalo na reliable na may mga equipments nila. Proven and tested naman. Thank you for the smooth transaction, for the good accommodation. Of course, the quality of the equipments that we're using in our business, it helps a lot.
So 1.8 million buyer gonna be
383.
383.
383.
Happy 25th anniversary, United Auctioneers.